GPUs have incredible computing power. But you know what's holding them back? Take a modern GPU. It has over 4,600 gigaflops of raw computational power. Just incredible. But here's the catch. Its memory speed is way, way slower, creating a huge performance gap. So what's the real bottleneck here? Well, it's the memory system. That's what's limiting its potential. This complex system is the key to unlocking a GPU's true performance. It's kind of mysterious. And this is basically a map of that mystery. Manufacturers keep the exact details top secret. So researchers have been trying to figure it out, but the old testing methods just weren't working. Get this, 2 different tests on the same hardware gave totally different results, a real head-scratcher. So researchers came up with a new detective tool to crack the case, the fine-grained P-Chase. It's brilliant, actually. It records every single memory access, revealing the hidden architecture in detail. And what they found was pretty surprising. Turns out, GPU caches just don't play by the rules. They found stuff you just don't see in CPUs. Unequal cache sizes, weird data mappings, the works. But one of the biggest discoveries was all about shared memory and a bottleneck called bank conflict. Think of it like this. Bank conflicts happen when threads get in each other's way, creating a data traffic jam. And in a worst-case scenario, like a 32-way conflict, the slowdown on older GPUs was just massive. Just look at this evolution. The Maxwell architecture is over 13 times faster in this scenario. Amazing. This was a huge, previously unverified improvement. Maxwell was clearly built to avoid this problem. Okay, so why does solving this hardware mystery even matter? Well, it actually affects all of us. This insight helps developers write faster code and helps designers build even better GPUs for the future. Yeah, when you really understand how the memory works, you can get some serious performance boosts. It really makes you wonder, what other secrets are still waiting to be unlocked inside our tech?